I created these videos using 2 different AI tools and a video editor. This one.
I can teach you how to do this. Just send me a message.
This one. Then this.
If you want to know how I created it, let's start. The first thing I use Nano Banana in Gemini 3 points. So this is the prompt I use. Use the uploaded image as the base. Create a cinematic portrait of the person sitting indoor facing the camera with soft warm lighting. So this is the prompt. I don't want to read all, so you can read. I'll put it in the description. So you copy and paste. So from here, you upload a picture. Let me upload a picture. Okay, let me upload this. Okay, so after that, you start generating it. So you take like a minute to finish. Okay. So you can see I have the, what do we call it? The picture here. But I think this one is a bit weird because the person is sitting in a studio. So let me change. Let me just change another picture. Let me put another picture where there is no studio. So you can get everything as we want. Okay, this is another picture of mine. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, you have it here. Okay, now download this picture and we are going to our second AI tool. Okay, this is the first one, Gemini. You can see this is the website, gemini.google.com. You come, you paste your prompt, you add your picture, and you have this. You see, anytime you generate, it gives you different type of what do you call it, image. Look at the first one, how the fire was, and the second one different. The same, I used same, what do you call it, same prompt. Okay, now we have the video. Let's go to our second AI tool. Okay, this is the second AI tool. We have Grok AI. So if you haven't used this before, I have a video on this channel about it, but it's very simple. So here you come to imagine. Here you come to imagine, you upload your picture. You upload your picture. This is the picture we got. So after uploading it, you just tell the AI what you want it to do with the picture. So before I write any prompt, I'll just leave it for it to generate without any prompt. Let's see what will happen. You can see 52%. Let's wait and see. It has finished generating, but let's see what it generated. You see? So this is another aspect of it. So now let's tell it something. Let him, let's say, play with the fire and dance. Okay. I think this is how we write dance. Okay, let's see what we'll get. Oh, sorry. I wrote fine. Fire. Okay, let me regenerate. Okay, let him play with fire and dance. Let's see what we'll have. So as you can see, this is what we had. It's dancing with the fire at the same time. So I think it is clear now. You can also create it. You can use your phone to create it. If you follow the same procedure, you can use your phone to create some. Thank you very much. If you've learned anything new, subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment. Leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.